Hi mga friend, magluluto tayo ng kalderetang chicken. Ayan, sibuyas, bawang, carrots, patatas, sili, liver spread. Hindi tayo nakabili ng lino. Tomato sauce, organic soy sauce. Nilagyan natin ng soy sauce yung ating chicken, panlasa, and laurel leaves. Ayan. Igisa natin yung chicken. Pag lumambot na, siguro after 30 minutes, saka natin lalagay ang ating carrots and patatas. Ayan. And our soy sauce. And our liver spread. Sana magustuhan ni Pops yung ating dinner for today. Kalderetang chicken. Stay safe everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.